Knee pain can make even simple movements difficult.
Knee pain is one of the most common complaints we see as orthopedic surgeons. Almost everybody's going to have some sort of knee problem at some point in their life.
For those dealing with swelling or stiffness, arthritis is likely to blame.
Arthritis is when the cartilage starts to wear away and you start to get bone rubbing up against bone.
Arthritis won't go away on its own. Treatment usually starts with non-surgical options like injections, braces, or physical therapy. But if that doesn't work, Dr. Stephen DeLuca specializes in a less invasive knee replacement surgery.
Instead of cutting through the quadriceps tendon and muscle, I go below it. It's called a subvastus approach. We're just basically preserving more normal anatomy doing the same knee replacement. And there's no arthritis left after we do the surgery. It's all been replaced with metal and plastic. Arthritis will not come back after we do knee replacement surgery.
Since it's outpatient, many go home the same day. After a few months of physical therapy, patients can get back to doing what they love.
I actually have my own knee replaced from my sports injuries when I was younger. At 51, I finally had my knee replaced, and it did all the things that I was hoping it would. It reduced pain, improved my function. My quality of life is much, much better afterwards.
Turning years of pain into a fresh start. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.